Hello, this is John Akrazoglu, and welcome to a Tech Chat on SMARTBoards. Interactive whiteboards, such as a SMARTBoard, allows teachers and students to control a projective presentation by directly touching it as opposed to sitting behind a computer and using a mouse and a keyboard. A SMARTBoard uses much of the same touch-sensitive technologies that tablet PCs, PDAs, and other handheld devices use to recognize where the surface is being touched. You should be able to do everything you normally do on a computer with a mouse or keyboard by directly touching the SMARTBoard. Educators report SMARTBoards motivate students and open up new opportunities for engagement, collaborative strategies, and new exciting ways to use technology. There are usually three components to a SMARTBoard. The Smart Interactive Whiteboard itself. They come in various sizes, from those measuring 48 inches diagonally to larger ones that measure 94 inches. SMARTBoards usually come with 4 different colored pens, an eraser, and a pen tray. On larger boards, sometimes a ruler or pointing stick may be needed for some people to reach high areas. Optional, side-mounted speakers may also be included. Depending on the model, some SMARTBoards are turned on by the power button near the pen tray or by turning the speakers on. A SMARTBoard system also includes a projector that shines the image on the interactive board. Nicer projectors are bright and have a short throw. That is, they can be set up very near the SMARTBoard, lessening the chances of shadows cast on the board by presenters. Finally, there is a computer hooked up to the SMARTBoard. It can be a Macintosh or Windows computer. We will highlight using Windows here, but Macintoshes use very similar processes and procedures. The computer must have the proper software installed on it that comes with the SMARTBoard or downloaded from smarttech.com. Remember, whatever is being displayed on the computer screen will be what is projected on the SMARTBoard itself. The computer is the source of what is shown on the SMARTBoard. After installing the proper software and turning on the SMARTBoard, projector, and computer, the Smart Tools icon should appear in the toolbar at the bottom right of your screen. A green light should also be displayed somewhere on the SMARTBoard, usually to the right of the pen tray. You should now be able to start using the SMARTBoard by using your fingers to click or tap on programs to start them, move things around, type in text, and use menus and make choices just like you would using a mouse or keyboard. If the SMARTBoard is not responding to your touch, which may also be indicated by a red X appearing in a Smart Tools icon or a red light instead of a green light showing on the SMARTBoard, it may mean the SMARTBoard has not been detected by the computer. In this case, click on the Smart Tools icon and choose Control Panel, then Connection Wizard to try to reestablish the connection. If the SMARTBoard is still not detected after going through the Connection Wizard, try disconnecting and reconnecting the board from the computer, often done by unplugging and plugging back in the USB cable going into the board. If the board is still not detected, contact your technical support or the vendor who installed the board. Once in a while, you will want to orientate or calibrate the board to fine-tune the touch area so it accurately tracks your finger touches. From the Smart Tools icon, choose Orient. Here you see one of our instructors actually tapping on the Smart Tools icon and choosing Orient. Tap in the middle of each target as they appear to calibrate the board. We recommend using a smart pen instead of your finger to orientate the SMARTBoard. The sharper tip of the pen will register a more accurate pinpoint location. Also, by moving or dragging the pen into the middle of the target, allows the board to better recognize the endpoint of your action compared to a quick poke in the targeted area. Finally, from the Smart Tools icon or the floating tools, you can start up Smart Notebook. Smart Notebook is a piece of software specially made for smartboards that lets you create presentations and interactive lessons.
You do not need to be hooked up to a smartboard to use Smart Notebook. You can create a lesson or presentation on your computer, save it to a USB, Google, or OneDrive drive, and then use it on a computer hooked up to a smartboard.
There are Smart Notebook, online tutorials, examples, and free lessons and activities you can download from exchange.smarttech.com. Look under Tech Guides on our ePortfolio Resources site for information on downloading Smart Notebook for free with a product key we have licensed for College of Education students. We also have more smartboard guides and resources. See other software in the Tech Guides section. We hope you enjoyed this presentation. Please let us know if you have any questions or suggestions on improving our instruction. We depend on you to help us enhance the quality of everyone's learning experience. Take care and good luck, John Akrazoglu.